Welcome to Louisville, Kentucky. I am on the Big Four Bridge. Located on the Ohio River, Louisville, Kentucky is known as Derby City or as the gateway to the South. Although to me it's a different kind of South. It's more a mixture of the South, Chicago, East Coast, and Midwest. Population is just shy of 800,000 people and there's lots to explore in this city. So today I'll be sharing 5 of the best things to do in Louisville, Kentucky. Now we are at Main Street in downtown Louisville and we're going to look at the Slugger, the giant baseball bat here. Yes, a giant baseball bat at the Louisville Slugger Museum, which is first on our list because, you know, there's a world record right outside its front doors. So first, take a drive downtown, which, side note, there is a fair amount of one-way streets. And eventually, one of those streets will take you to... Welcome to the world's largest baseball bat, 120 feet tall and 68,000 pounds. Yep, it's an exact scale replica of Babe Ruth's 34-inch Louisville Slugger bat. And while you're here, step inside to see their signature wall filled with, you guessed it, baseball player signatures. This part is free, but the factory tour itself is around $18. You'll get to see how the bats are made, get a little mini bat at the end of the tour, get to actually hold different bats held by the greats like Babe Ruth. So, if you like baseball, that's a place to go. Also, since you're downtown, take a walk downtown. It's full of statues and random interesting things to take a quick self-guided walking tour of sorts. Oh, and don't forget to look up. There's many planes always landing over the city. Okay, but if baseball or Babe Ruth isn't your thing, then maybe some other famous people are more your style, like Muhammad Ali or KFC founder Colonel Sanders. Although an unusual stop on most itineraries, Cave Hill Cemetery is number 2 on my list. I would have never picked a cemetery as a place to see in Louisville, Kentucky, but Cave Hill Cemetery? I'd recommend it. Many headstones are like artwork, and a lot of the headstones are for people that were born and died in the 1800s. So, an old cemetery indeed. It's not flat, it has cool hills, and it's full of nice trees. So maybe a good early morning walk, plus stop and see the resting places of some famous people. It was surprisingly amazing. We are now leaving Cave Hill Cemetery, but it was definitely worth the stop. It's not your average cemetery, and it's Memorial Day weekend here, so good time to come, I guess. Now we are going to Churchill Downs. Muhammad Ali and Colonel Sanders are both buried here, which we did not get to see because we wanted to go to the horse races, and the timing didn't allow. You heard right. We are now headed to what Louisville is really known for, or at least what I think so. Welcome to Churchill Downs, the famous horse races where the Kentucky Derby is ran on the first Saturday in May every year. First race, I'm picking number 5, my mom's picking number 6. And, it's fun. It's actual Churchill Downs. This was my favorite stop because I love horses and horse racing and the history of this specific track. It was a cool experience to walk on the same grounds as historical greats like Secretariat, which when you're here, you'll notice all the horses' names that have won the Derby along the buildings. Also a cool thing was everyone stopped when the national anthem was playing, and as soon as it was finished, the building came alive again with movement. That was just a cool experience. Also, be sure to take in the whole experience, like listening to the sounds of the race crowd. Every time the horse is near the finish line, the crowd roars. There were decent food options. I got a hot dog, my mom got a pretzel. And Churchill Downs / the Kentucky Derby is known for mint juleps, but we shared a Flanagan Oaks Lily, and it tasted really nice. The gift shop also has some real Derby hats and real Derby prices. Even a bow had this price tag on it, but hey, the shop was nice, and it's the Kentucky Derby. Fourth, a riverboat ride on the Ohio River. We're gonna go on a steamboat! Not this one. That one. It's only $10 for an hour riverboat ride. It's historic, with the boat being over 100 years old, and a great way to see the Ohio River, a great way to relax a little bit, and enjoy the breeze. We just got off the Mary M. Miller steamboat, and
it was steamy.
It was steamy. No, it was really, really fun. Here's the other one, which is really cool still. This one's a little bit bigger, but this boat was really fast. plenty of room, plenty of seating, 3 levels. My favorite level was the first level. Sort of. I actually like the second level. Third level's okay. Third level,
Yeah, it was nice.
it was nice.
It was still nice.
The first level you got to actually see the water like right there. The second level was, I think, like the good medium sweet spot.
Feel the breeze of the water come right up.
Yeah. But the first, if you go in the first, in the very front, feels like Titanic. And it's all by yourself. And you miss a little bit of the tour, but it's still good. So, fun times. Fifth and finally is from where I began this video, the Big 4 Bridge. This bridge has different personalities from the daytime to the nighttime. Daytime, it's full of people walking, running, biking, taking drones out. Yes, there's other people with drones there for sure. And it's just a good time to enjoy the bridge. But at night, it comes alive in a different way, with the young and scooters and music and very much a different scene. So just be prepared for that. So overall, Louisville is a great long weekend trip destination with a fair amount of things to do. So safe travels, and I'll see you all in the next video.